The DCA-20V impact wrench is equipped with a durable brushless motor that provides superior longevity and performance, making it ideal for both professional and DIY projects. With a powerful torque of 235 foot-pounds, this tool can effortlessly handle a wide range of fastening tasks, from automotive work to home repairs. The 4-mode drive control offers enhanced precision, allowing users to select the ideal setting for their specific task, ensuring efficient and safe operation. A 1/2-inch hog ring anvil facilitates quick and easy socket changes, enhancing the wrench's versatility and making it compatible with a variety of socket sizes. The rechargeable 20-volt 4.0 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery provides extended usage time with an LED power indicator and lighting for working in dim conditions. Achieving impact rates up to 3,100 beats per minute, this tool ensures quick and efficient loosening of stubborn bolts and nuts, saving valuable time on projects.